Thank you so much for checking in, Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we're gonna do this. We have this fantastic product. It's to be found on my accessory website, mrmitsubishi.ca. It's Chrome Delete for your RVR dynamic shield. It's super easy to apply. We're gonna do it right now here in the showroom. You could do it in your garage as well. Very easy to do, and let's get going. Okay, we need to make sure that the surface is cleaned. I cleaned it already, so we're good there. And then it's very easy. So first we gotta find the exact fitting on it. And then we're gonna apply it. So as we can see, it won't cover entirely the trim level, the entire chrome, but it'll give you this enough of a, blacked out coverage for it to look really, really cool. And the fact that you can see it a little bit, this chrome trim, actually I think it works good with the rest of the design. So a little bit of a fitting first, and then once we found exactly where we want to be the top one, we're gonna have a look at the bottom one. And once we're super happy, then we're gonna proceed. Okay, we're gonna start with the bottom part first, and what we can do is, so we find the perfect fitment where exactly we want to be, then we remove the tape a little bit, put it on, and then we'll keep on removing the tape and we keep on going around. We don't want to remove the whole thing right away, because then as you press this part here, like this might stick and it might get real ugly fast. Now, don't rush, take your time. Not a race, not a competition. And let's take time and patience here. Okay, we got it here. Perfect, this is what we want. And then we just go like this. Want to make sure we get it as nicely as we can. Okay. So we got this part done. Now, when we have this part, again, we want to just make sure everything is going to be fitted where we want to be. Okay. It's going to be the final part here. Let's remove it. And here we go. Okay. Now we'll do the same on the top part. And the top part is exactly the same idea. First we want to sit it where exactly it's got to be, and then we're gonna install it right there. So let's see how it looks. So we have right here, let's put it on. Okay, okay, I'm gonna fit it a little bit different. Let's see, again, don't rush, not a competition. If it takes forever the first time, it's okay. Okay, it took me forever, I got it, it's there, and again, we just gotta make sure that we have it exactly where we want it on the line. And fit it like this. Okay. And we can remove the entire thing, and let's just go around here and put it exactly how we want it, where we want it. Okay, I'm gonna get my fiber cloth here in a sec, and we'll have a closer look and we'll enjoy the end result. And let's check out the end result here, and we can see this is the after, this is the before, so you can see how the difference is. I think it looks really cool, especially, again, let's zoom it in a little bit so we can see it fits in nicely on top of the dynamic shield, and you do have this chrome around that blends still nicely with the the grill and the lights and everything else in the overall vehicle. And on the side we have a little bit of chrome details around the wheel caps and the side molding. And if we look at this, so if we gotta kind of vote what looks better, I think That looks better for sure. Okay, so thank you so much for checking it out. Again, this thing can be found on my accessory website, mrmitsubishi.ca. Place your orders and let's get going.